Thanks all our major sponsors. Destiny, ang Kaan, ang sarap for this volleyball, beach volleyball here at the Aqua Verde Beach Resort in San Juan, Pampanga. Okay, now we're gonna back to the ball game. The ball goes on. Adamson, banting around now on service. Mario set the ball to Caballo. Marina on the top. Soriano to Pineda. Now attack by Copa. Soriano. Marina. Caballo now. Safe but outside.
Venezuela University Das Marinas versus University of Puerto Rico.
Match point
Then after the game will compete with
by University of Santo Tomas. We're gonna Soriano on attack.